EXOs were the first product to come into Glo Medical Aesthetics. Our rep came in, and just like any other rep, they walk in the door, they tell you how great the product is. And we had already used another exosome or EXO product, and we were using another product. But she gave us some samples, put them on the counter, didn't think about them for a little while. And my husband is a general pediatric surgeon, and he's had a little perioral dermatitis, eczema, whatever you want to call it. And so when he was going for a conference, I sent them with him. Hey, look, wash your face, use these products. Let's see if it does anything for a couple of days. So after about 5 days, he comes back home and he's like, it's gone. We've been treating this. My dermatologists have been treating this. We've been treating this, Erica, for 2 years, and it's gone. What kind of magic have you given me? So we always laugh that that was our first experience with EXO, the biologics, and we were hooked. The amount of decrease in redness, the decrease in inflammatory properties. Our patients aren't swelling, our patients aren't bruising as bad. Our patients are thinking that we've changed the energy on the devices, that they're not working because they just weren't getting that intensity, that redness, that swelling. And so the ability to heal the skin is pretty amazing. And then we chose, because they are a topical that's lipid loving, we chose to start using those for our patients as everyday skincare. And so 95% of our patients use the Repair Daily, use the Detox Daily as their topical medical grade skincare product. So our patients are saying that Repair and Detox, it's hydrating them, it's decreasing any redness they have in their skin. We know it's supposed to grow collagen elastin, but our patients are telling us, without even knowing, our patients are saying, my skin looks fantastic. I get so many compliments on my skin. Erica, this is the best thing I've ever used. And so now I can give them 1 or 2 products that's gonna take the place of 3 or 4 or 5 products that they were using at home. So it's a lot of bang for their buck, and they're seeing results, and you can't make them change. They're really happy.